let me thank the former governors and former ministers that are here. It was impromptu. They heard of this and they said they must be here. I want to sincerely thank them. I want to sincerely thank them. Your Excellency, let me once more say happy birthday to you and congratulate you and your wife who's my mother, and your children. When I went to see His Excellency, the celebrant and the wife, he said, "What are you doing? 74. So how do I celebrate 74? How do I celebrate 75? I was okay. I said, I hope you realize that I will not be governor in your next birthday. This is my last time to be governor in your birthday. So your birthday is always August 15th. I'm leaving May 29. So let me celebrate you as governor. Then when the other governor comes and he wants to celebrate you, I will be invited. That is as a guest. This one, I'm the one that will be going to make sure that River State government celebrates you in this year 74th birthday. Please speaking, Your Excellency, and our guests who are here, I feel delighted. I feel so happy that I'm standing here today for all of us to celebrate a man who has done well for the state, a man who people have abused his simplicity and generosity. There's no standing politician today in this state, standing, what I mean standing, that you say you are standing from 1999 to today, that he did not make it. Not one. Not one. And in life, just like what very Monsignor Key said, there's nothing as appreciating people, thanking people who have one way in their life contributed in you growing. But today, we are this, we are that, is because somebody was responsible for it. God used that person was an instrument to make us to be where we are today. Wicked is this, wicked is that. If God did not use him as an instrument, it would have been impossible for me. So, for us, we have used him as a school. We have used, and we thank him for making himself available to use him to learn, so that we won't be shocked of whatever that's going to happen. Don't leave the school, people should go and learn. That's why he has to live till 200 years. People should go and learn. When you learn about orthopedic, you will survive politically. My last birthday, 12 midnight, one of our elders called me. They want to see you. I told my wife, what are they coming to see me by 12? What are they coming to see me by 12? He said, well, listen to them now. Some of them are here. They came to me, 12 midnight. They said, oh, one day we shall be ready. I said, okay. Then the night I saw was a letter that she went and run for president. All these are here, they signed those documents, all of them. They signed it. They signed the document. I should run for president. I said, I should run for president, yes. I said, okay. You people too, go and give me who will be governor. I said, go and give me who will be governor. Forget president. Go and give me who will be governor. They all sat there. They were looking left, right. I said, okay. But those who are trying to be governor, they raise your hand. This one raise his hand. This one raise his hand. This one raise. One person refused to raise his hand. He said, a senator. Senator Barimpi. I said, you don't want to be governor, sir? Let me hold the one where God will give me first. Let me hold this one. Let me not lose the two. So all of them. Then I said, okay. They went, prepared documents and signed that whoever will bring. That document was prepared by OCG Okocha. All of them signed. All. That whoever will bring, that they will abide to it. Then when we took one person, they went to Abuja. I must not be vice president. What is my business? What is my business? I've done well. I'm happy. I'm living. Very, very happy to live. And that I've done very well. So, when people don't know the history, they go and tell them all kinds of stories.
Your Excellency, let me, on behalf of my darling wife, Mary, our children, four of them, and our grandchildren, 8 of them, and our in-laws, our reverends, led by Monsignor Key and the other priests. Welcome and thank all of you who have gathered here today. Like His Excellency said, and I want to affirm that it's true, can only be assigned and ascribed to the will of Almighty God. So I want to begin by thanking the governor's colleagues who, in spite of all their numerous, endless challenges, have continued to identify with our governor, and for the kind words. Both of you, my former colleague and brother, the former governor of Cross River State, and all those who made and rendered goodwill messages. May God bless you, all of you, and pay you back in God's way. Someday, the kindness of thoughts that you've conveyed to us will also be conveyed to you. Our people have a saying that a good dance begins with the first step. Before I became governor-elect in 1998, I didn't know governor. Until he emerged as the flag bearer for his local council under the umbrella. That's how our political relationship started. And as local government chairman, he was the best performing local government council chairman. And throughout his tenure as the council chairman, there was nothing that happened in the Odili family or in our extended families, including my in-laws, that he and the wife did not identify with. I have been to many government houses. I've been to many presidential lodges. I've not seen anyone that competes with this. And this is Governor's birthday gift to me and my wife and family. Your Excellency, I know we are running against time because of your numerous programs, but permit me, on behalf of the elders and the good people of Rivers State, express our deep appreciation for what you have used your governance to do for Rivers people and to do for the Odili family in particular. If there was time, I will talk for 2 hours. But let me thank you more for 2 outstanding things you've done, which you never put before the public. The first will be your effort in human resource development, especially the scholarship support to Rivers indigenes who gain admission on merit to Pamo University of Medical Sciences. But permit me to say that one of the landmark things you've achieved was the initiation and the facilitation of a campus of the law school in Port Harcourt. And from what I have heard, that campus will be the attraction of every law student who qualifies for law school from all over the country. It is second to none.